Hi guys, in this step-by-step tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how you can add affiliate program on Shopify so that you can let people, customers, like you can let also like influencers to promote your Shopify products, and you are allowing them to earn, for example, 5% or 10%. You can change that, okay, after you follow the steps in this video. Now I'm going to be showing you how you can do that. Okay, so first thing you need to do, guys, you want to log into your Shopify store. Okay, that's the first step. Now after that, you want to click on settings at the very bottom left, and you want to click on apps and sales channels, and you want to click on Shopify App Store in the top right. Okay, next thing you need to do, guys, you want to search here for affiliate. Okay, now after you search here for affiliate, you will find a lot of apps that will help you add affiliate program to your Shopify, so that's like people can earn commission each time they promote your own product. Okay, now I have tested all these apps. Now the app I like the most, it's called Go of Pro Affiliate Marketing. Okay, you want to click on this app and you want to click here on install. Okay, now after, guys, you click on install, in the next page you want to confirm. Okay, just click again on install, and next thing you need to do, guys, you want to wait a few seconds, and after that it will take you guys to this page. As you can see, okay, it says here, before the app can be fully functional, you need to allow the steps below to complete the integration. Okay, so if this is your first time using the app, you will have to click this here, this text that says click here. Okay, so to open your store theme editor so that you can enable it in your Shopify store. Now click on it, and it's going to take you guys to this page. Okay, so what you guys need to do next is you want to click here, you want to toggle this on, as you can see where it says Go Off Pro Affiliate Marketing, toggle it on and click on save in the top right. Okay, so next thing you need to do, guys, you want to go back, and here you want to click on get started. Okay, here it asks you guys a few different questions like, I am new to affiliate marketing, I know what affiliate marketing is, but I am new to the app. That's what I'm going to click on. Okay, here you want to click on get started, and here you want to set the percentage that you want your like influencers or people in general to earn when they try to promote your own products. Okay, your own Shopify products. Now I'm going to set this as 10%. So if the item price is $50, they are going to earn $5. Okay, so I'm going to click on next, and here the discount amount, I'm going to change it to 4% or 3%, and I'm going to click on save and continue. Okay, now this is your affiliate link. Now you have to give this link to people that are going to like promote your own products. Now you can also add the menu, you can also add an option on your own Shopify store so that you can let normal customers to see that option, so that they can click on it and it will take them, guys, directly to earn to your affiliate program, so that they can sign up and start promoting your own products. Now I'm going to be showing you how you can do all of this in just in a few seconds. Now first thing you need to do, guys, you want to click here, it says open Shopify's navigation menu, and it will take you guys to this page. Okay, now what you guys need to do, you want to click on main menu here, and now you want to add main menu here, and now I'm going to name it earn money. Okay, and here the link, you want to add your own link, which is this. Okay, that app gave you. Now I'm going to add it here. Okay, I'm going to add it again, click on it, and make sure you click on save in the top right or at the very bottom right. Okay, after, guys, you click on save, now each person that will visit your own Shopify store, they will be able to see this new button here that says earn money. If they click on it, it's going to take them directly, guys, to their own account. Okay, to their account, so that you can see how much money they earned promoting your own products. Okay, so in my case, because I am using my own Shopify store, as you can see, $0. Okay, so that's exactly how you can do this. Okay, it's very simple. Just copy this URL and then start promoting this on websites like Facebook or whatever. Like, if you can also give this link to your influencer on Instagram to promote your own products, you can do that. Okay, so if they go to their own, this is how it's going to look like when you give them the link. Okay, they will see here their earnings, they will also see the link that they can give their customers so that they can earn commissions. As you can see, it will take them directly, guys, to the products on your Shopify store. Okay, this link is going to be provided to your own like influencers that are going to promote your own products. And here you can also see the referral link, which is going to be 10% commission each time they promote your own products and get the customer to purchase the products. They are going to earn 10%, and the coupon code is going to be 3%. Okay, so the coupon code is this. You can also change this in your settings here. I'm going to go back to the app. You can click on affiliates. Okay, and you can change multiple things here. For example, you can click on look and feel. You can change the URL, okay, of your affiliate program. You can change here how it's going to look like. You can also add a custom domain here. You can add multiple things if you want. You can also change the store name if you want. You can change the currency to whatever currency you want. I'm going to change it in my case to dollar currency. I'm going to do that right now, and I'm going to select, I'm going to find here dollars. Okay, US dollars. Now you can also change the logo, the store logo if you want, the logo height. You can also change the colors, the like brand primary color. You can change it, or link color. You can click on settings and make some changes. For example, allow registration from affiliate page, allow users to register from the public registration page here. Okay, it seems like all these things, as you can see, you can also see here the percentage they are going to earn. As you can see, 10%. So if the product costs, for example, $8, they are going to earn almost like $2, okay, or $1.50. Okay, so let me guys know if you have any questions. If you don't understand anything, let me know in the comments. I reply to every single comment. Just go to the comments below and tell me if you have any questions. I reply to everyone, and make sure to drop a like on this tutorial. That would be highly appreciated, and see you guys in the next tutorial.